Thank you, friends, for warming our heart with your rhythmic steps. Light is the symbol of hope, knowledge, and positivity. By lighting this lamp, we seek the blessings of Almighty to enlighten our minds, guide our paths, and brighten our endeavors. We now invite our esteemed President, Reverend Father Wilson Saldana, Principal Sister Veena Krasta, School Head Boy Manvit, Head Girl Riona, Pius Sir, on the stage to perform the lighting of the lamp.
ज्योति जला ज्योति
Proud privilege to welcome the esteemed guests, staff, and children to the celebration of this exhibition. First of all, I would like to extend a hearty welcome to the chief guest of today's function, Reverend Father Wilson Saldana. I request Manaswini to give a flower as a token of our respect. Now I welcome Pius D'Souza, the committee member. A hearty welcome to you, sir. I request Gracious to give flower as a token of our love. It is our great pleasure to welcome Sister Veena, principal of our school. A warm welcome to your sister. I request Shivani to give flower as a token of our respect. I would like to welcome Mr. Ravikiran D'Costa, Management Committee member. A warm and hearty welcome to you, sir. I request Pranvi to give flower as a token of our love. My heartfelt welcome to all the teaching and non-teaching staff, parents, and my dear students. Thank you one and all.
We now move on to the highlight of today's event. It is the time to inaugurate the 2024-25 school exhibition. Let's make this day a memorable one. Now I request Reverend Father Wilson Saldana and all the dignitaries to join him to inaugurate and bless the event.
Thank you, dignitaries. To make this occasion even more special, we have among us President Reverend Father Wilson Sandana, who have graciously joined us to be part of our celebration. It is an honor to have him here with us, and we are grateful for your presence. Now I request Father to address the gathering.
Hello. Respected Sister Veena, the principal of the school, members of the staff, Mr. Pius D'Souza and Mr. Ravi Kiran, all the teachers, all the parents, and my dear students. It's a great day today to be with you all. First of all, I congratulate the management team and all of you for having put up this show here. Not only in this hall with your dances and performances, and I have seen since the time you enter the school campus till you reach here, lots of things are done on the way and in the hall everywhere. So hearty congratulations to all of you. Today I am here on behalf of Father Roy, the correspondent of the school, to give a short message. I know you are not here to listen to my message today, but then yeah, it's been great to be here. It is annual event to have an exhibition of science, art and culture in this school, and I'm very sure all of you are participating in this event with great enthusiasm and lot of energy. I have seen students and teachers and staff working very hard for this event since so many days. I have seen you preparing your exhibits, and you have put up a lot of work. So I feel enthused by looking at you all when I see this event. You know, education is a tool to enlighten our minds. It is a tool to unravel the mysteries of the universe, and I am sure by doing all this, you have learned a lot. Dear students, this kind of exhibitions give us some messages. You know, it brings out our curiosity, it brings out what we have learned, and not just that, it also increases our, desire for learning. So I wish that you learn all these things from this exhibition. You may have the spirit of curiosity and creativity, and that this may be a day of learning, and this may give you a future hope and courage to do many more things in terms of science, art and culture. So all the best to all of you, and may God bless all of us. Thank you very much.
For your insightful words. Thank you is the two words which come from noble heart. Here comes a sin to put together attitude of gratitude out of thanks.
Gratitude gives us roots in present and brings for future. With this thought, I'm here to extend my thanks on behalf of everyone here today.
overview of the projects, especially the students those who are there to explain.
Two lines. Where is the two lines? See that?
The line wire.
ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿತಿದ್ದೆ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿತಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಸರಿ
Thank you.